Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's video, looking for the latest must-have kitchen gadgets to upgrade your cooking game? In this video, we're showcasing the top 5 Amazon kitchen gadgets you need in your life right now. From time-saving tools to innovative appliances, these gadgets will make meal prep easier, faster, and more fun. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, these picks are perfect for any cooking enthusiast. Watch till the end to see which gadget takes the top spot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more amazing kitchen finds. Then guys, let's start the video.
Next, manual slow cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-quart oval manual slow cooker is the perfect solution for cooking large, flavorful meals with minimal effort. With its 7-quart capacity, it can serve up to 9 people, making it ideal for family gatherings or meal prepping. The manual controls offer 2 heat settings, low and high, allowing you to cook your meals at your own pace, while the warm setting keeps food ready to serve. Its oval shape accommodates larger cuts of meat, making it perfect for roasts, stews, and casseroles. The removable stoneware insert is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup quick and easy. Its classic, durable design fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Whether you're cooking comfort food or trying new recipes, the Crock-Pot makes slow cooking simple and convenient.
Next, Soup Maker. The Philips Viva Collection. Soup Maker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make homemade soups effortless and fast. With its 5 preset programs, it allows you to create smooth soups, chunky soups, compotes, smoothies, and even cold soup recipes with just one touch. Its powerful heating and blending technology ensures perfect consistency every time, making fresh, healthy meals in just 18 minutes. The 1.2-liter capacity is ideal for family-sized servings, while the stainless steel design ensures durability and easy cleaning. The Soup Maker also features a manual blending function, giving you control over your desired texture. Compact and easy to store, it's perfect for small kitchens. Whether you prefer creamy soups or hearty chunks, the Philips Soup Maker simplifies the process, delivering delicious results with minimal effort.
Next, garlic press. The OXO Good Grips Heavy Duty. Garlic press is designed to make mincing garlic quick and effortless. Its sturdy, zinc construction ensures durability and long-lasting use, even with frequent kitchen tasks. The large chamber accommodates multiple garlic cloves at once, allowing you to press more in less time. Soft, non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand strain during use. The efficient design requires minimal force, making it easy to crush garlic into fine pieces with precision. A built-in cleaner pushes out the garlic peels, making cleanup a breeze. The press is dishwasher-safe, adding convenience for busy cooks. Perfect for garlic lovers, this tool simplifies meal prep and enhances the flavor of your dishes.
Next, meat thermometer. The professional meat thermometer. Digital offers precise and instant temperature readings for perfectly cooked meals every time. With its easy-to-read backlit display, you can quickly check the internal temperature of meat, poultry, or fish. Designed for accuracy, it ensures that your food is cooked to the perfect doneness, reducing the risk of undercooking or overcooking. The stainless steel probe provides quick, reliable readings, while the foldable design ensures safe storage. It's ideal for grilling, roasting, or baking, making it a must-have tool for home chefs and BBQ enthusiasts alike. The thermometer features a temperature hold function, allowing you to lock in readings for convenience. Compact and portable, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. A truly essential gadget for achieving restaurant-quality results.
Next, wire masher. The KitchenAid Gourmet Stainless Steel Wire Masher is a reliable tool for effortlessly mashing potatoes, vegetables, and fruits to your desired consistency. Made from durable stainless steel, its sturdy wire design ensures smooth and even mashing without bending or rusting. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Ideal for preparing mashed potatoes, guacamole, or baby food, this masher is versatile and easy to handle. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, and the stainless steel construction allows for quick cleanup, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Sleek and stylish, it complements any kitchen decor while being highly functional. Perfect for both everyday cooking and special meals.